Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm actually at work and we're in full event mode as we're just over halfway through the Sydney Royal Easter Show. Now I'm sitting in the arena this morning, it's calm, it's quiet, there's nothing going on. However, around lunchtime and more importantly around 8:30 at night, things get rather loud in here. And I was given the privilege of having a ride along with the V8 Utes last night. They're the guys that tear around the grass, entertain the crowd, everyone loves them. And as awesome as they are sitting in the stands and watching them, I thought I'd bring you guys along and see what it's like actually inside the car. Now, excuse the shaky footage because it was rather bumpy out there, but I hope you guys will enjoy it. So, here we go.